Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on hand lettering, and we're going to draw divider lines. And here you can see my bullet journal, and I've drawn some vintage lines which are a bit harder to do, so I thought by starting with the easy and quick ones. So what I'm using is a Staedtler pigment liner, 0.3 in this case, and this one is water resistant. But I will also take a look at the Cali brush, which is not water resistant, so you can get nice effects when using the water brush pen. Here you can see some doodling I did with that water brush pen, and it has a nice and easy tip, and you can also write with it with acrylic or ink if you want. So that's a very nice item. And let's take a look at the four very easy to make divider lines. First, I draw with a pencil lines that are my guidance, and of course you can also use a ruler, but I think it looks more natural when drawing out of freehand. Now let's first take the Staedtler. And what I draw in are 3 dots, and the middle one is bigger than the 2 on the side. And then I make 2 lines that are going out and to each other, and I do this exactly the same way on the other side. Now the areas you get then, you can color in, or you can draw in dots or lines or whatever you want. So that's the first and very easy one. Now here is one that is a little bit harder, but very effective indeed. And first I draw some dots, and then I start making these curves. The middle one is the biggest, and then they ease down smaller and smaller and smaller. Now here's the effectiveness. Underneath I do exactly the same, going bigger and bigger and smaller, so you get some kind of mirror reflection. The spaces you get now you can easily color in or put some drawings in them. So very quick and easy, and very effective. Then of course there are always some points you want extra attention to. So you can draw an easy arrow, like so. And here in the end, of course, they have some feathers to guide that arrow. And you can simply draw in all kinds of feathers, of course, or just simply color in halfway and halfway. So you get that nice and sharp effect. Okay, now let's change to the Cali brush. Now this one is not water resistant. It easily dissolves with water. So here I'm making some wavy lines. In the middle again a little bit bigger, and then going smaller and smaller on the outside. And then I go controversive. So what you get is some kind of, well, nice squirrely, well, whatever it is, kind of a ribbon. And those spaces again, of course, you can color in with anything you want, stars or dots or maybe colors. Now what if I'm using the water brush? On the top 3 it would have no effect, because the Staedtler is 100% water resistant. But here you can see that the Cali brush is is not and has some nice going colors coming out once you hit them with the water. So you get some kind of a shadow effect underneath, which is very fun to do and gives that extra dimension in your divider lines. So, a great start. I hope you liked it and you will give it a big thumbs up. Here you see the material that I've used, and I hope that you will share it with your friends. I wish you good luck with it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.